ensures fast, stable wired internet on USB-C devices, reducing lag, improving streaming, gaming, and secure work connectivity. My today's video is about top 5 best USB-C to Ethernet adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Ugreen USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Ugreen USB-C to Ethernet adapter is a must-have for anyone needing fast and stable wired internet. Supporting speeds up to 1000 megabits per second and backward compatibility with 100/100 Mbps networks, it delivers smooth gaming, buffer-free streaming, and reliable downloads in seconds. It's an excellent solution for modern laptops without built-in LAN ports or for devices suffering from unstable Wi-Fi connections. Setup is effortless with true plug-and-play support for Windows 11/10/8.1/8, macOS, Chrome OS, and Android, while older systems can install drivers easily. The LED indicator clearly shows connection status at a glance. Built with a premium aluminum alloy casing, this adapter ensures better heat dissipation and long-term durability compared to plastic models. Its reinforced cable and compact design make it perfect for travel or daily office use. Widely compatible with USB-C and Thunderbolt devices, including MacBook, iPad, Nintendo Switch, and Steam Deck, it's a small accessory that delivers powerful performance. Now our second product is a Blue USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Blue 4-in-1 USB-C to Ethernet hub is a practical solution for users who need both wired internet and expanded connectivity. With 3 USB 3.0 ports and an RJ45 Ethernet port built into one compact adapter, it transforms a single USB-C port into a versatile workstation. All ports work simultaneously, making it ideal for connecting a keyboard, mouse, flash drive, and external hard disk at the same time. Data transfer is impressively fast, reaching up to 5 gigabits per second, 10 times faster than USB 2.0, allowing HD movies and large files to move in seconds. The plug-and-play design means no driver installation is required for Windows, macOS, or Chrome OS, while the Ethernet port ensures stable, high-speed network access up to 1000 Mbps. Built with a premium aluminum casing, it offers durability and efficient heat dissipation. Compact and lightweight, this hub is perfect for travel, office, or home use, delivering reliability and convenience in one sleek device. Our third product is Anker USB-C to Ethernet adapter. The Anker Power Expand USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter brings the reliability and innovation that has powered over 65 million users worldwide. Designed for instant connectivity, it allows USB-C 3.0 devices to achieve stable internet speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second, making it ideal for gaming, streaming, or high-speed downloads without interruptions. Its ultra-compact, lightweight design, just over half an inch thick and weighing as little as an AA battery, makes it highly portable, perfect for travel or on-the-go work. The premium aluminum casing adds durability while offering a modern, sleek look, and the braided nylon cable enhances longevity while complementing high-end devices. That plug-and-play functionality ensures easy setup with no complicated installations. An included welcome guide makes getting started simple. Backed by an 18-month worry-free warranty and responsive customer support, this adapter combines portability, performance, and premium design, making it a smart choice for anyone seeking a reliable wired internet solution for their USB-C devices. Now number 4, MCY USB-C hub. The MCY 10-in-1 USB-C docking station is a powerhouse hub designed for ultimate productivity and seamless connectivity. Combining dual HDMI outputs, multiple USB-A and USB-C ports, SD/TF card readers, and a 1000 megabits per second Ethernet port, it transforms a single USB-C or Thunderbolt port into a fully equipped workstation. The dual HDMI supports single 8K or dual 4K at 60 Hz displays, delivering ultra-clear visuals ideal for MacBook and Windows users, while 5 gigabits per second data transfer speeds let you move large files in seconds. perfect for photographers, designers, and content creators. Its 100 WPD pass-through charging ensures your laptop, tablet, or phone stays powered even while all ports are in use. Built for versatility, the hub is compatible with a wide range of devices including MacBook Pro/Air, iPad, Windows laptops, Steam Deck, and USB C Android devices. Compact yet premium in design, this docking station offers efficiency, speed, and reliability, making it an essential tool for high-performance work, streaming, and creative projects. And our last choice is UTech Smart USB-C Hub. The UTech Smart USB-C Hub is a versatile and cost-effective solution for modern connectivity needs. Featuring a 1000 megabits per second Ethernet port for HDMI output, 3 USB 3.0 ports with 5 gigabits per second speeds, and a USB-C charging port with 100W power delivery, it consolidates multiple functions into a single compact hub. This makes it ideal for professionals, gamers, and content creators who need fast, reliable connections and high-quality video output. Advanced heat dissipation technology ensures stable performance and protects devices during extended use. The hub's 5 gigabits per second data transfer and 1000 Ethernet allow seamless streaming, quick file transfers, and uninterrupted online work. The 4K HDMI output delivers crisp, immersive visuals for gaming, video editing, or movie streaming. Plug-and-play compatibility with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and Steam OS simplifies setup, while the 100W power delivery keeps laptops and USB-C devices charged efficiently. Backed by an 18-month warranty and responsive 24/7 support, this hub combines performance, reliability, and convenience in one compact package. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.